The highly modern Zan Mitrev clinic is located in idyllic Skopje, the capital city of Macedonia. 500,000 people live here. Originally run as a military hospital, the clinic was taken over in 2000 by Dr. Zan Mitrev and newly opened as one of the most modern cardiovascular surgeries worldwide. Before opening, much expensive and elaborate reconstruction work had been done.
Everything which we used here is of the highest current medical standard. The floor is a very important part of all this, and in a hospital it is subject to heavy use and wear every day. On the one hand, the floor has to bear very heavy machines, beds, etc. On the other hand, hygiene is very important. For us, hygiene is really writ large, and I am pleased that we are now working together on the sealing and protection of the floor. This not only enables the floor to be protected and resistant in the long term, but also makes cleaning and disinfection easier, which is of course very important for the prevention of intra-hospital infections.
The Zan Mitrev Clinic agenda of 2018 featured the renovation of both operating theatres. In 18 years since opening, and after more than 20,000 operations, the floors had shown strong signs of use.
The floors are very important because of heaviness of the beds and all the machines that they are going through on the floor, and they're very used and weared. That's why it's very important to have them looked after and have a good material and have a good quality, which is going to be in a medical sense as well, because it's very important to stand out all the machines and all the disinfection that they need to have, as well as sound and good look and all that.
The dr.schutz Group, a company based in Bonn, Germany, is the global market leader in the area of floor renovation, with over 60 million square meters of floors coated worldwide. Dr.schutz has developed an innovative ESD coating system for healthcare environments to renovate and protect conductive floors in operating theatres, MRI rooms, and other related areas. With the dr.schutz ESD system, non-conductive floors can be upgraded to ESD floors, or existing ESD floors which have become unsightly or damaged can be renovated.
We are very happy with the results because of the professional approach of the team. I mean, it's very important for us, for the operating rooms, for example, to be available all the time, and we use them 24 hours a day. The work that they did, it was in less than 2 days. It was no waste, no dust, nothing at all. They just were not noticed, and the floors are excellent, perfect.